Today I want to show you how to turn off your rear seat reminder feature, which is a safety feature to let you know that you might need to check your back seat if you have an infant in the vehicle. And what it does is it gives out continuous beeping to let you know to do that, but you can turn that feature off. Today we're in a new 2025 Camry, and this is pretty much within the last couple years on all Toyota vehicles. To turn it off, you want to go to your settings, which is going to be under your multi-information display. And on this vehicle, you're going to move down till you see the gear icon. We're going to then move, and of course, here's all your safety features, your pre-collision and everything. But you're going to move to where it says vehicle settings. You're going to hit your OK button on the steering wheel. And then you're going to move down to where it says rear seat reminder, and you can toggle that on and off again with that OK button on the steering wheel. And it's that simple. Have a good day.